Hello and welcome to the Presero training series. In this lesson, we will be learning about the email notifications and customizing email notification at the site level. Emails will automatically be generated for many different events that happen throughout the system. You can browse through the list to see the different emails generated, the wording, and who they go to. We will begin by logging into the Presero admin with the information provided to you. In order to locate the email notification at the site level, go to your admin, Sites, the name of the site, and you will see email notifications. Before we start seeing the email notification, let's see, depending upon the nature of the sites, what are the options that are available for the email notification customization. If the site type is informational site, then these are the tags that are available for email notification customization. Approve account request, file upload received, form submitted, new password, new user approved, new user denied, proof status, and send proof. If the site type is B2B, then there are some additional email notifications available to you. Approve account request, approve order request, file upload received, form submitted, low inventory, new order, new password, new user approved, new user denied, order complete, order item complete, order item approved, order item denied, order item intermediate approval, order status change, payment received, proof status, send proof, and vendor item ready. If the site type is B2C site, then these are the following emails that are generated from the B2C site. File upload received, form submitted, guest login order, low inventory, new order, new password, new user approved, all order complete, order item complete, order status change, payment received, proof status, send proof, vendor item ready. For a user to receive an email, requirement must be met. Can the user receive notifications under Users, Edit User, scroll down, and the ability to receive the notification must be checked. If checked, the user email is available to be sent an email when appropriate. If unchecked, the user will never be sent an email regardless of any other settings or group membership. The second requirement is the user or a group the user is a member of in the list of recipients for the given email. In order to see that, you go to the site's email notifications, edit your email notification, customize, and verify who receives the notification. If the user or a group they belong to are not in the list, the user will not be sent the selected email message. Please note, if the target user is listed and the user is the target user, then they will be sent the email messages. Customer email notification. To customize, select the email message to be customized. Let's say new order. Click on customize this message. Scroll down. Use the tags menu to add a placeholder for the data to be inserted when the Presero system sends the email. Select the user you want to receive the email under who receives the notifications. Whenever a standard email template is customized, a custom version will be created. For example, I want to customize this and add a variable product name. If I click on Save Changes, You will see a custom version of new order is generated. You can create multiple custom versions of a given email template. For example, let's say you want your staff to get a file upload email with the links to the production file. It's possible to save two custom new order emails. One set to go to the target user, second to the admin user. Please note, if you rename a group being used for the email notification, make sure to update the who receives the notification list with the correct group. The sender email and the display name is set under the Preferences General Settings email. If nothing is sent, the email will use the default from Presero with sender@presero.com as the associated email. Custom email notifications can be created with the professional and enterprise packages. Please contact your sales representative for any plan upgradation. Email notifications to sales rep for a B2B site. Your sales rep can be notified when an order is placed in a customer site. In order to do that, you go to the user management, site groups, create a site group known as sales rep or whatever. You can leave the permissions as not set for all and click on save. You can add a new user to the site. Enter the sales rep info. Let's say I want to assign this user as a sales rep. So I'll go to the site group membership and I will assign it as sales rep. Click on save. Now, once you have saved, you go to the email notifications. Let's say I want this custom email for the new order to go to sales swap. So I scroll down. I will select the site group for the sales swap and scroll to the right side. Click on Save Changes. By default, emails will be sent to various people, your staff as well as the customer, based on certain activities taking place within the storefronts or the orders area. You will see two columns below the email template. The left column is a list of potential email recipients you can add. The right column contains those who currently are designated to receive the email. You can add recipients by clicking them in the left column and clicking the arrow to move them into the right column. If you hover over the list of those you may see receive the email, a tooltip will display with more details. The form submitted email will not contain links to any files that you may have been loaded using the form. The files will be available in the Tools File Manager Upload section. Order status change email. You will notice that the default message for the order status change even does not go to anyone. Instead, order all complete message is sent when the order status is set to complete. Order all complete strongly resemble the new order message but has additional language in the subject and body that indicates that all item order are now complete. The order status change message who will receive the notification can be customized by an admin user so that it is sent every time the status is being updated. Customizing the email content. You can insert tags into the email that the system will use to insert the related information. For example, in this case, you can use the variables from the drop-down. And if you know the variable, you can type the variable manually in the correct desired format. The email tags below are functional in both the subject and the body. Page title, page URL name, page short description, form title, form name, form instructions. Here are some few general rules. If the email message is about a full order, then anything which applies to an individual item will be unavailable. This includes shipping method, shipping destination, etc. In a message about a full order, the cart summary will display details about each individual item. There is a template specifying which info about each item is shown. This template cannot currently be changed by admins. Adding other item independent text to the message won't change the cart summary. The form summary tag is only usable with the form submitted email. Only forms added to a content page, the page you create added to the store, will trigger a form submitted email. For more information on email notification, please visit a knowledge base article with the custom email notification information. Thank you for watching this video.